The debate between plant and animal protein is often driven by ethics and emotion, but your muscles only understand chemistry. When you consume a piece of steak or a bowl of lentils, your body does not absorb protein. It absorbs amino acids, the individual building blocks that make up that protein. To build new human tissue, your body requires 9 essential amino acids in very specific ratios. If you are deficient in just one of them, the entire muscle building process grinds to a halt. Today we measure exactly how much of what you eat actually makes it into your cells. Think of muscle synthesis like building a barrel out of wooden staves. If one stave is shorter than the rest, the barrel can only hold water up to the height of that shortest stave. Any extra wood is wasted. This is the concept of the limiting amino acid. Animal proteins, such as meat, eggs, and dairy, are complete because all their staves are tall. Plant proteins are generally incomplete. For example, rice is incredibly low in lysine. Beans are low in methionine. If you eat just rice, your muscle building potential stops the moment you run out of lysine, regardless of how many total grams of protein you ate. Having the amino acids in the food is only half the battle. You have to extract them. Animal protein is highly bioavailable because it lacks a fibrous cell wall, and your digestive enzymes can easily cleave the peptide bonds. Plant proteins, however, are locked inside tough carbohydrate matrices. Seeds, legumes, and grains also contain anti-nutrients like phytic acid and trypsin inhibitors. Trypsin is the enzyme your pancreas produces to digest protein, and the inhibitors in plants literally block your own enzymes from doing their job. That means a significant percentage of the plant protein you eat passes through you, completely undigested. For decades, we used an outdated metric called PDCAAS to measure protein quality, which overestimated plant proteins by measuring absorption in the large intestine. The modern scientific standard is the DIAAS, which measures exactly what is absorbed at the end of the small intestine. DIAAS measures the only place humans can absorb amino acids into the blood. On the DIAAS scale, whey protein and eggs score over 1.0, while chicken and beef are in the 0.9 to 1.0 range. Black beans, almonds, and wheat often score between 0.4 and 0.6, meaning you absorb roughly half of the usable building blocks compared to an animal source. Finally, we must address the trigger switch for muscle growth: leucine. Leucine is the specific amino acid that activates the mTOR pathway, the biological signal that tells your body to start building muscle. To flip this switch, you need roughly 2.5 to 3 grams of leucine in a single meal. 1 scoop of whey protein or 4 ounces of chicken delivers about 3 grams of leucine. To get the same 3 grams of leucine from plants, you would need over 4 cups of cooked quinoa or nearly 3 cups of lentils. You can absolutely build muscle on a plant-based diet, but the math is unforgiving. To match the anabolic response of animal protein, you must dramatically increase your total volume of food and blend complementary amino acids. You must also accept a massive caloric penalty in the form of extra carbohydrates.